Hey there, thanks for joining me on this tutorial of pet massage. This is my doggy Takoda, and he's 10 years old. Some while back he was limping pretty bad, and so we took him to the vet quite a bit, and he got diagnosed with arthritis. From there, our vet offers acupuncture, so we got him some acupuncture. It worked so great. We found another lady that was doing it in a more comfortable setting for Takoda, and now we do it about once to twice a year. Really about the season change is when we notice him limping a little bit again. So we just, if we see him limping, take him in. It is quite expensive, but it does work. Now, in between, sometimes, he'll be a little sore. And so here are some techniques that I've learned along the way of rubbing out my buddy who has arthritis and then making his day, a little bit easier. Okay, so here's Takoda, and first I just kind of stay. He doesn't always like this, and maybe your doggy or your Sheltie doesn't either, but you just have to make him stay. And so you can put your arm around underneath here and just gently make them stay. And then so I'm squeezing together gently. Sit, Takoda. Takoda, sit. Takoda, sit. Good boy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of pinch together. I'm going to take my fingers gently, and I'm going to just go down his spine, and I'm going to pull up, and then I'm going to feel for tension. And when I feel some tension, he'll actually twitch a little bit on his back. And so then I will rub that spot out. I'm going to swing the camera around and I'm going to show you what I'm doing. Okay, I'm just going to work with him the way that he'll work with me. And so that's the important part, is not to be squeezing too tight on your dog, but just gently. And then you can take, if you feel the tension, you take two hands together. So you're going to rub down gently, pinch up a little bit. Takoda's a little bit bigger, so I'll take one hand and I'll actually hold it. But as I go along, first I start down his spine and I make sure he's all loose. He actually feels pretty loose right now. And if you see your dog yawning, you know that he's working into it. So normally Takoda has a lot of tension up here, and I'll pinch and he'll actually twitch a little bit, and then I rub on it. Now, Takoda, I know, has arthritis in his joints and up in his little ankles up here. So, he'll often lick them. And like I said, when I see him just being tense, then this is one he really likes a lot. And you can just take the palms of your hands. Don't use your fingertips unless you're going to go super gently in these muscles. And just take your hands and just gently rub his muscles. You just feel along the muscles, go down, and just work them out real gently. And around where his arthritis is, if I feel like I can feel tension, sometimes just because I do this, I can feel like exactly where he's tight. And it helps a lot. And I hate seeing him limp. Sometimes he'll sit and take this, and sometimes he won't. But he was just barking and kind of got in trouble. So just do it whenever you can. So pretty much that's it. And then, I just go back through here, and also I'll rub the backs too. So, if I feel like his tension's in his back end, then I will rub out these back muscles on his back legs. I never even realized that. But when I went to the acupuncturist, she said he was holding a lot of tension in his back end. Well, it looks like Takoda's had enough for today. So thanks so much for joining us.